Hi, Dr. Sean Caesar from the Center of Natural Pain Solutions. I'm a naturopathic doctor here in Manitoba in Winnipeg. And I'd just like to talk a little bit about immune system and immune system enhancement. We've had a lot of calls lately about what patients can do to increase their immune system to fight off viruses and to fight off bacteria and that kind of thing. So I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the things that we offer at the clinic, as well as some of the things you can do at home to help to make your immune system as strong as possible during this time when immune systems are very challenged. So some of the services that we offer a lot of IV therapies at our clinic, and one of the biggest IV therapies that patients are asking for these days is the Myers Immune Push. The Myers Immune Push is a short 15-minute treatment that enhances the immune system through several ways. It has a high dose of vitamin C in there, not as strong as the IV vitamin C, which I'll talk about next, but the amount of vitamin C in that enhances the immune system, moves white blood cells, and gets the immune system prepped for infections, and also helps to fight if there are infections. The ingredients in there include also magnesium, B vitamins in there, which also enhance the adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are kind of the central organ as part of the mobilization of the immune system. You need a strong immune system, and the root of it is the adrenal glands. And the ingredients that are in there is also hydrochloric acid that's put in the IV. That also helps to move white blood cells to where they need to go. So prepping for an infection, also during an active infection, the Myers Immune is one of our primary tools that we use for that. And again, it's an IV that's used over about 15 minutes. Now, a slightly longer IV that we use is the IV vitamin C, which has a high dose of vitamin C in there, about 25 grams to 50 grams, 75 grams, and we can even go higher than that. That mobilizes white blood cells, and the vitamin C, as we all know, helps to boost the immune system and make sure that patients are healthy and that they're strong. The IV Ozone that we use as well at the clinic, the Ozone is a strong antiviral. So viruses have an envelope to them. That means that they're very simple, but they're hard to treat. But viruses have just genetic information in the middle, and they have a viral envelope is what it's called. So what the IV Ozone does when it's delivered intravenously is it helps to take care of and destroy actually the viral envelopes of bacteria and viruses. The IV hydrogen peroxide is another thing that we often offer, and that hydrogen peroxide offers oxidative damage to whatever organism that you're treating, including viruses, bacteria, fungi even. This one helps also to boost the immune system. So we have a number of tools here that we can use for any kind of prevention and also any kind of treatment for viral infection or for also bacterial infections. We add ingredients as we need to, so we can tailor make these ones according to what's going on. If a patient, for instance, has an active infection going on, what we do is we will add ingredients like lysine right into the IV medicines, or IV echinacea, which is also a nice antiviral and a nice antibacterial. So these are some of the tools that we use right at the clinic. We use these very regularly. We've done this for about 20 years now and have delivered thousands of these IVs very safely and very effectively to patients who want to boost their immune systems and have immune system enhancement. Other things that you can do on your own at home is start with the diet, start with eating very pure foods, lots of vegetables, lots of good meats, lots of good fish, lots of good fruits as well. And there's a particular soup that I have patients make for themselves that helps the immune system as well. And basically it's a chicken soup. So you boil the chicken, have the chicken in the soup with chicken broth, and you also use some of the strongest antiviral or antibacterial herbs that you can find in the kitchen. So that's things like thyme, also garlic and ginger are very, very, very strong, and some of the strongest herbs that you can use as far as immune prevention, immune enhancement, and also prevention of sickness. So those are some of the medicines that we use at the clinic. Food, get rid of some of the foods that suppress the immune system, such as sugar. Sugar is a big inflammatory enhancer, so we want to get rid of that kind of stuff. and use the foods and the medicines that we've got here as some of the best things that you can do to help to improve and enhance your own immune system through this trialing time.